Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Yes, so today in ICT class we are going to learn about lesson 6 naming and organizing files. Okay children, so we all know our units. So what we are going to learn about from this lesson? So files and its extension. Let us move to today's class children.
Okay, children, let us see a situation. Okay, so you and your mother are going for a department store. Okay, for buying the things which is needed for your home. Okay, so for example, you are buying the things which is related to your studies and your games like this, and your mother is buying the things related to the kitchen holes. Okay, so after coming from the department store, where will you arrange the things which you bought from the shop? Yes, do you have any idea? Let us see, my dear children. So, you will arrange the things in their appropriate places. So, for example, if it is related to groceries, your mother will arrange it in the kitchen. If it is related to your study materials, you will keep that things in the study room. If it is related to the things which will be kept in bedroom like blanket, etc., pillow, okay, so you will keep it in the bedroom. Okay, so you will not change the place where you are going to keep the things. You will arrange the things which is in the related to that places. Okay children, so for example, if you are changing the things and keep it in inappropriate places, it is not good, look good, and it will make you some difficulty to find out that things. Okay, so always arrange the things properly in your home. So why I have said this concept means, here we are going to see about files. So any content created using a computer such as a picture or text is saved as a file. Okay children, so file in the sense, for example, if you are hearing a song in the computer, that is, it is saved in the computer, right? So that is also a file. Suppose if you are drawing a picture, beautiful picture in the computer, it is also saved as a file. Okay children, suppose if you are again typing a letter to your friend using the word processor, okay, so that is saved as a file. Okay, so these are the file. So any content created using a computer such as picture or text is saved as a file. Okay, so choose a file name that tell about the content of the file. For example, you are drawing a picture related to flowers. Okay, what will you give the name for that file? Flowers, isn't it? So you have to choose a file name that tell about the content of the file. Okay, my dear children, you all created many files in the computer, isn't it, in the form of drawing a picture or typing a letter or anything else in the word processor. Okay, these are all called as the file. Okay, so here we are going to see the types of files. Okay, so for example, in the first thing we have music file. Okay, you can able to hear the sound. Okay, so this is the, it is also called as the music. Okay, so this is a music file. Okay, so next you can able to see the text file. So text file in the sense, you will type in the document, right, whether it is in the word processor or anything else, so that is called as a text file. Okay, next you can able to see the picture of flowers. Okay, so that is photo file. Okay, so next you can able to see the video file. You all know that you can able to hear the sound. Okay, so this is called the video file. I hope you all understand the types of files. Okay children, so what are all the types of files? Music file, text file, photo file and video file. Okay, so next we are going to see about the file. So what's called file extension, Maji? So if you ask the question like this, the extension is added to the name of the file by which the application which you create the file. Okay, so what is the use of this file extension? We can identify the type of file by seeing its extension. So for example, you will have the address of your home and your name. Okay, so by by the address we can easily identify whom is living in that home. Okay, so like that, by seeing the file extension you can able to find out what is the type of file. Okay, so for example, these are the file extension .png, .txt, 3. Okay, so we can identify the type of file by seeing its extension. Okay children, so here we are going to see about the files and their extension. We already know the types of files, isn't it? So here in this, paintings, photographs or image. Okay, so they will have the file extension as .png or .jpg. Okay, for music it will be .mp3 and AVI. So if you see that, it is the music file, we can find out. And when come to text file, .txt or .doc or .docx or .rtf or .odt. Okay, so if you see that, we can easily find out that is a text document. Okay, that is text file. And then .mp4 in the sense it is a video file. So I hope you all understand the types of files and their file extension. Okay, like the address, how we can find it by your name, like that you can have this file extension to find out the type of file. Okay children, yes. So now let us move to the activity. So you have choose the correct answer. So which of the below file extension match the correct type of content? Okay, you have to see the file extension and its content, which is correct you have to write. Okay, and Sanju wants to save her image which she has edited. Which file extension should she use to save her file? She is going to save a image. So for image, what is the file extension that you have to choose? Next, fill in the blanks. .avi and .mp3 are dash file extensions. Okay, and .txt is a dash file extension. .png is used for dash files. Okay, so you have to write the correct answers in that and then match the file extension to their content. So invitation.txt. So what is that correct answer? An invitation card.png and happybirthday.ava. So you have to match the file extension to their content. Okay children, so do this activity in your ICT activity note. So read the lesson properly.
We have learned in today's class, we have learned the concept of files and its extensions. Okay, so I hope you all understand the concept very well. So let us meet you on the next week with a new topic. Okay, so thank you my dear students.